how the different technologies are making difference for the retail banking. Okay, that we are going to see. Last time we have talked about the different types, correct? Commercial bank and all. So today I'm going to talk about the second part of it, that what are the alternate delivery channels to give this retail banking services. And when this particular alternate delivery channels ADC developed, parallelly there is one more model got developed, that is CRM and CIM. So that we are going to develop through the discussion, that how these models are important and how they play the role. Then the technology, that how is the technology is very important, and how the technology is making is it I'm audible? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because a light is in between went off. Okay, so this is the we are discussing today. So what is basically ADL means when we are talking about alternate delivery channel? What is it? So as we all are seeing a different channel when you are having ATM. It is one of our alternate delivery channel, through that you are getting a services of a bank, okay, without going in a
Excuse me,
bank.
ma'am. The voice is too low.
Hello, is it now? Is it okay?
No, ma'am.
One second, one second. Let me check my connectivity. Now it is okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So when you are using ATM, so it is nothing but an alternate delivery channel that you are using of a retail banking only. Okay, without visiting that bank, you are able to withdraw your money. Even you can see a mini statement of your particular bank. Correct. So this is easily possible. Correct. Then whatever the internet banking we all are using, mobile banking we are using, it is nothing but what alternate delivery channel developed by the retail banking, where they are providing the services with the help of internet. Okay, and here if you see for the each services they are using separate channels. Okay, for ATM purpose they are using a LAN. Okay, they are using a LAN, and through the LAN they are connecting the particular banks with the devices, and because of that we are able to withdraw the money. And when we are withdrawing the money, they are using authentication, and security measures are also taken place with the help of this particular channel of a LAN only. Same way, when we are using internet banking, on that time we are using internet services. Okay, web-based technology. It is web-based technology, and it is a internet based. It may be wired mobile connection you are using internet, or it may be Wi-Fi connection. Okay, on that time again they are taking again a security measure is what username and your passwords and OTPs. Correct, they're the many measures they are taking. Okay, then third which is which is your alternative delivery channel. It is a agent or a merchant. Okay, computer phone. Okay, through that you can do this particular agent or merchant banking. Okay, so again it is internet use based. Okay, and when you are using this particular kind of alternate delivery channel, when you are swapping a card, okay, on that time you are using this particular type of services. Okay, when you go and swap your credit card, ATM card, so on that time this agents or merchant agents, they are there who are making easy for us to get the banking services. Okay, then the extension services are also there, like web-based, technology-based. Nowadays, we all are using a different websites. Through that, we are buying, and again we are able to go on the different channels. Correct. Again, it is an alternate delivery channel. Then the mobile banking is one of a thing that nowadays you can find every bank is having a mobile app, and through that app I can do IMPS, NFTs, then I can transfer the balances, correct? Even the scan, IQR scan, that is again a particular methodology they are using, giving you as an option to pay. Then other than that, nowadays you will find this e-wallets or m-wallets, prepaid cards are coming. Through that you can buy, like you can go for Amazon wallet is there, then Paytm wallet is there. Through that, if you are paying Amazon wallet, if you are using, then you will be getting in some more discount. Same way is for the particular your Paytm also. Okay. Then there is one more delivery channel is call center. Through the call center also you can go for a different services. Through that you can inquire. Not you can go for a payment services, but you can inquire. You can take whatever the problems you are facing, help you can take from that source. Okay, so this is nothing but what a alternate delivery channel services developed by the retail banking sector to give a delight kind of a facility. Okay, now we'll see exactly how it works basically. Okay, because retail banks nowadays they all are shifted their complete business through this ADS model basically. So this ADS model, if you see here, I have mentioned one flow that front office is there. Okay, and the front office you will see with the help of a different portal we are accessing. That I have just shown you that a POS is there, point of sale is there, internet banking is there, banking portal means a website through if you are surfing something, or app through you are buying something, or through the ATM screen when you are withdrawing or taking a mini script. Okay, or USSD, that kind of again one app is there, that is again a front office. Then behind that front office there is one back office which is working through the this channel. From the banking channel they are providing supporting line for these all channels. Okay, first person who is working behind the curtain is user administration. They are continuously looking who is using it. Okay, if you are using internet banking, ATM, website base or POS, so there is a first system which is going to be activated. It is a user administration. They are going to see how many users are using, what they are, what type of services they are looking for, what information you are giving, from which portal you are accessing. This information is going to be executed at the back end. Okay, behind the curtain these all systems are automatically within a fractions of seconds it is going to be activated. Okay, once you are accessing it, suppose one person of your same card, you are using your ATM at the suppose at the DMart. Okay, at the same time, suppose your mother or your brother is accessing your particular same account in your house through the internet banking. Okay, so on that time the system will see who is using and where it is going to be used. Okay, account number is same, the transaction is same, correct? There you are paying something, here your brother or your mother wanted to see a something from the your particular internet banking. Okay, so in this way simultaneously two people are accessing the same account. Now what will happen? This administration account, this administration system, what they will do, they will go for authentication, that whether who is using this particular services. Okay, when you are using it the POS, on that time you have to enter the pin, correct? And within a fractions of second that is going to be validated whether the pin is correct or not, correct? If it is correct, the payment will get passed on to the next portal of your merchant, means the person who is the banking service which is linked with the particular